Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Sorry, sorry I wasn't posting for a while. The reason is my phone was in Petersburg. I think that's in English. Ek het nie gepost nie want ek het my phone in Petersburg vergeet toe ek my boeties gekuier het. I was visiting my brothers. I came home from, I'm just gonna say Pretoria, because it's close to Petersburg, I think. So yeah, we were there. I came back home, yeah, and let's tell it. Update, we moved. It was a nightmare. But yeah, we still have our cat. We gave our dogs away because we moved in a place called Lebomi Monkey Foundation. I messed up. I'm not gonna say where it is. I'm not gonna say any of their names. There's a guy named I don't know how to edit stuff, so stop. We had to give our dogs away. I almost said monkeys because no, I'm not gonna say all of this stuff. Apparently, one of our dogs attempted to bite a monkey. That's natural instinct, I think. I damn need a haircut, but that's the reason I've been not been posting for a while. And all I'm asking is subscribe. That's all what I'm asking. Please. Jesus loves you. And I'm sick. Well, I prayed. Asked if you can hear me. Bye.